Hello, friends. This is Dr. Santosh Singh. Hope you're all doing good. So, as we all know about the present crisis of pandemic COVID-19, and it's almost the end of the lockdown period, and sadly, numbers are getting worse with many red zones areas. It's alarming for all of us as the community spread have been expected. So, where are we now? As general public, how we are supposed to live with this contagious virus? Many of us might have many questions which are still unanswered and on how to deal with this virus. So I thought of discussing some important facts related to the present pandemic which can help us to know more about the virus with which we are supposed to live with as an unwanted guest. So let's start with the basics. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in both animals and humans. In humans, different coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infection like from the common cold to severe diseases. And the most recently discovered coronavirus, which is COVID-19, and its outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. And now it is pandemic affecting many countries globally. So now, what are the symptoms of COVID-19? Like how he or she will present if he is get infected. The common symptoms are like patient will have fever, dry cough, tiredness, and less commonly may have body pains, headache, conjunctivitis, sore throat, loose motion, loss of taste or smell. There might be some rashes on the skin, discoloration of fingers or toes, and these symptoms are usually mild and can begin gradually. Some people become infected and only have very mild symptoms, and most people recover from the disease without needing hospital treatment. So who are under more risk? uh, Older people and those with medical problems like high blood pressure, heart problem, lung problem, patient having diabetes or cancer are usually at a higher risk of developing serious illness. However, anyone can catch COVID-19 and become seriously ill. So people of all ages who experience fever, cough with associated difficulty in breathing or having any shortness of breath should seek medical attention immediately. And if anyone having minor symptoms such as slight cough or a mild fever, there is generally no need to go to the hospital. We can stay back at home, self isolate ourselves from the family members, monitor ourselves, take good diet and proper hydration. So here it is important for us to know the difference between isolation and quarantine. So isolation means separating people who are ill with symptoms of COVID-19 and may be infectious. So to prevent the spread of the disease, we isolate them. And whereas quarantine means separating people who are not ill but may have been exposed to COVID-19. So here the goal is to prevent spread of the disease at the time when people just develop symptoms. So we usually hear the people go quarantine for 14 days. Why we choose 14 days? We choose 14 days because the time between the exposure to the COVID-19 and the moment when symptoms start is commonly around 5 to 6 days, but ranges from 1 to 14 days. So 14 days we keep the people quarantine. If they doesn't develop any symptoms, it means they have not got infected. Now the next question is, how does it spread? And we all know this virus is very contagious, and it's spread from person to person through small droplets from the nose or mouth. When a person with COVID-19 coughs, sneeze or speak, इसका मतलब है जब कोविड-19 पेशेंट खांसता है या छींकता है, जो बूंदें उसके मुंह से या फिर नाक से निकलती है वो बहुत इन्फेक्शियस होती है. एंड दिस ड्रॉपलेट्स आर रिलेटिवली हैवी, do not travel far, and they quickly land to the ground. So the people can catch the COVID-19 if they breathe in this droplet and from the infected person. This is why it is important to stay at least 1 meter away, that is 3 feet away from the person. This droplet can land on the object surfaces around the person such as tables, doorknobs, handrails, and people can become infected by touching this object or surfaces, and after touching those infected objects, and people like naturally they tend to touch their eyes, nose, mouth. And this is why it is important to wash your hands regularly with soap and water, or clean with the alcohol based hand rubs. The next question, which is more oftenly asked to me regarding the drug and the treatment of COVID-19, and when will the vaccine will be available. Unfortunately, presently there is no approved drug to cure or treat the disease. However, there are several ongoing clinical trials, uh, and different regions are trying with different combination therapy and successfully treating positive patient and sending them back home. So presently we have to be optimist and wait for the vaccine. And for me, right now prevention is better than cure. So prevent yourself, stay home, stay safe, and follow the guidelines. The most effective ways to protect yourself and others against this COVID-19 are to clean your hands frequently and thoroughly. Avoid touching your eyes, mouth, and nose. Cover your cough with the bend of elbow or a tissue paper. If tissue is used, discard it immediately and wash your hands. And of course, maintains a distance at least 1 meter from others. And regarding the mask, there is still some confusion, like which type of mask is effective for the general population. So there are different type of masks available in the market, like non-medical mask, which are homemade, and medical mask like surgical mask, N95. And many people are confused which mask to be used. So WHO recommended the use of medical masks like N95 are usually for the following individuals, like healthcare workers or people who are sick with symptoms of COVID, or anyone taking care of the person at home who is sick with COVID-19. So the general population can use normal non-medical mask and protect themselves with proper hand hygiene, and reuse it. And the people who are at risk of exposure can go with the surgical mask or N95 mask. Next question is, how long does the virus survive on the surface? Most important thing to know about the coronavirus on surfaces is that they can easily be cleaned with common household disinfectants that will kill the virus. And studies have shown that the COVID-19 virus can survive up to 72 hours on the plastic and stainless steel, and it survived less than 4 hours on the copper and less than 24 hours on the cardboard. So always clean your hands with alcohol based hand rub or wash them with soap and water, and avoid touching your eyes, mouth, and nose, and make your surrounding clean frequently. While shopping for groceries, keep at least 1 meter distance from other, and if possible sanitize the handles of shopping trolleys or basket before shopping. And once you come back home, wash your hands thoroughly, and also after handling and storing your purchased products. Hope you find this information helpful. Stay safe and educate people regarding preventive measures, and take care of your family. Thank you.